Hello everybody, my name is Hamish Prime here with Technoladget.com, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you a little bit about the sort of latest things that's been happening in the tech world. And yeah, it's sort of almost like a mini video podcast with just my head talking. I couldn't get to join any of the others today, but this is only going to run for a couple of minutes. And yeah, also before I start, you'll notice in the corner next to my mouse for this video is the new microphone, which I actually just recorded a bit of a video sort of talking thing where I talked about it last night. And yeah, it is quite a nice microphone. It records it really well, but you'll see more on that once I've edited the other video and posted it on the site. Firstly, before I get into some of the tech news stuff, I wanted to point out, make sure you're keeping an eye on the Technoladget on the Technoladget YouTube channel, because we've constantly got some more videos coming up on there, and we're not always able to do like a post on the website about them. So make sure you subscribe to that and keep an eye on the stuff that's happening in there. This will obviously be posted probably on YouTube, possibly on this Squarespace video sort of hosting thing. But we'll just have to see how things go once I get around to editing it. So yeah, let's just talk about a couple of the recent things that's been happening. So if you may or may not have noticed yesterday, Google sort of unveiled its new social networking service called Google Plus. Now, Google, obviously, as you probably know, haven't always had the best success when it comes to social networking with their attempts such as Google Wave and Buzz and stuff. But this actually looks really quite promising, and some of the hands-on stuff I've seen with it actually looks really quite nice. I talked to Google Press agents actually and asked them for an invite so I could provide a hands-on coverage, but turns out the person I talked to didn't actually have any invites, which I found kind of surprising, seeing as it was their press management person. I'll have to keep trying and let you guys know once I actually get some more information on that. The touchpad is coming out really quite soon in America, which is quite cool. Another iPad contender, along with tablets such as the Zoom and Galaxy Tab 10.1. It's actually running WebOS now, and used to be sort of a Palm sort of thing. Now it's HP, and yeah, it looks pretty nice. Other than that, we had, obviously, as you saw you uncover, the N9 came out didn't come out, was announced a couple of days ago. That was pretty cool. Also, we didn't get to cover this, but the Seagate, which is what's codenamed one of Nokia's first Windows Phone 7 devices, which really looks quite nice. Almost looks exactly the same as the N9, however, has Windows Phone 7 running on it, as you probably know. Other than this, what we're looking at, DuckNose posted an article a couple of days ago talking about 4G and the sort of things that's been happening with that over in America. One of the congresswomen's talking about like making a sort of mandatory disclosure sort of thing, almost to do with stating how fast the speeds actually are and stuff, so you don't get confused between things like LTE and WiMAX and that, which often can be a bit of trouble for some people. So yeah, that's pretty good. Sorry, I'm looking at the site here on my iPad, so bear with me for a minute. Sony had a really cool looking new computer laptop come out, and I'm quite liking the idea with this. As you know, I'm a Mac person myself, but I still think this looks pretty cool. So it's the Vaio Z, I'm pretty sure, which is their sort of, I'm not sure I'm actually pronouncing that name properly, but it's their new sort of ultra thin, ultra portable sort of laptop. Contender with the MacBook Air, obviously. People who need to, be traveling a lot and stuff with their laptop and don't want to carry around a big, heavy device. But this thing looks pretty cool, and I think what the sort of the feature that sets it apart is its graphics sort of external sort of graphics unit thing, which also has a Blu-ray drive and all this other stuff with it too. Check out more about that on the actual post, because DuckNose has written a great article to do with it all. We had a Skype for iPad promo video leaked, which, yeah, that was pretty cool. I'd like to Skype people from my iPad, but I'm sort of using FaceTime more and more these days, so don't know how useful that's going to be. Final Cut Pro 10 as well, that was released not too long ago on the Mac App Store. Still haven't gotten a chance to use it actually, which is quite surprising considering I'm quite a Final Cut enthusiast, but it looks pretty cool. It's not met the greatest reviews from professionals and customers alike. However, I think for the sort of user that I am, not completely professional, but sort of like professional amateur, you might say. The features it skips out probably aren't going to be that necessary for me, so the features that it does include probably will be really quite cool. So I think that's about all I've got to talk about today. But definitely keep checking back on the site. We've got more and more news coming out every day in the tech world, so we've got to keep up with it. And yeah, we just make sure you check it out. As I said before, YouTube channel keeps getting updated, so keep an eye on there too. And thanks for watching, guys. My name is Hamish Pryor with Technoladget.com, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.